Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a deep clean of the den area because I knew it was about that time. We normally just do a little straightening up, but I said no, this time we're going to really clean this den area. So let's get started. It doesn't look so bad to begin with, but I knew it was like once I start moving things around, it was going to be some little surprises in areas. I know you see those white spots. If you've been watching my videos, you know I do a lot of spot cleaning on my couch. Sometimes I do a vacuum. My sister, she has a mean green vacuum, and I usually vacuum the couch. But when I don't have that option, I just take a towel and some wash detergent and water and just scrub the little spots that are on the couch that need to be cleaned. Y'all, check out this new tabletop that I got from my Ottoman. I won it from the Bidding King auction site for $35. Y'all, I did a little digging and research to see how much one would cost. It's $167. Now on Etsy, it said it had some for like $40. So I've never ordered anything off of Etsy, but if you are looking for one of those, I know they do have it on Wayfair and they have it on Etsy, and they probably have it on Amazon. But it definitely is a game changer for the living room. it gives that ottoman a new functionality, like new utility. Like you can put your table, your plate, your drink, things like that on it, and your remote, whatever. It's just like a little table. And then when you want to go back to it being an ottoman, you just take the tabletop off, put it up, and you can use it as an ottoman. So it's like a 2-in-1. It's super awesome. Love that we got that deal. Great deal. I hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you come back next week.